Are you tired of juggling different payment apps just to send money to friends and family? What if I told you there's a super fast, incredibly easy way to send money right from your Wells Fargo account, and it's probably already set up and ready to go? Zelle is a digital payment network that's integrated directly into the Wells Fargo mobile app and online banking. This means no extra apps to download, no new passwords to remember, just a seamless way to send and receive money with people you trust, all within the banking platform you already use. So, how does it work? Let's walk through it. First, you'll need to be enrolled in Zelle through your Wells Fargo account. This is a one-time setup. Just log into the Wells Fargo mobile app, tap on Pay and Transfer, and then select Zelle. You'll be prompted to enroll an email address or a U.S. mobile number. This is what you'll use to send and receive payments. It's also how Zelle identifies you and knows where to deposit the money. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you're all set. Now, let's send some money. In the app, go to Pay and Transfer and select Zelle. From there, tap on the Send button. You can choose a recipient from your existing contacts, or if it's a new person, you can add them using their enrolled email address or U.S. mobile number. Be sure to double-check this information, since Zelle payments are so fast, they can't be canceled once sent if the recipient is already enrolled. Next, you'll enter the amount you want to send and select the Wells Fargo account you want to send the money from. You can also add an optional note in the memo field, perfect for remembering why you sent the payment in the first place, like for dinner last night. Finally, review all the details and hit send. The money is typically transferred to the recipient's bank account within minutes, as long as they are also enrolled with Zelle. But what about receiving money? It's even easier. If someone sends you money using your enrolled email or phone number, it will be deposited directly into your linked Wells Fargo account, usually in minutes. You'll get a notification via text or email letting you know the money has arrived. You can also use Zelle to request money from someone. Just go to Pay and Transfer, select Zelle, and then tap Request. Choose the contact, enter the amount, and send the request. They'll get a notification and can approve the payment directly from their bank's Zelle service. So there you have it, a quick, safe, and easy way to handle payments with Zelle, right from the convenience of your Wells Fargo app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.